Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get and receive same phone calls on different iPhone without having same SIM card. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my two different iPhones home screen. So on the left side I have an iPhone SE and on the right side I have an iPhone 12 mini. So on both of my iPhone device I have two different SIM cards. So say I want to receive same phone calls on both of these iPhone devices. So for this what you need to do is, firstly, both of your iPhone devices should be connected with the same Wi-Fi internet connections. So both of my device has been connected with the same Wi-Fi internet connections right now. And now the second thing what you need to do is, both of your iPhones should be logged in with your same Apple ID account. So right now I'm using the same Apple ID account on both of my iPhone devices. Firstly, do that thing. Now after that, just open the settings again and just scroll down below, and here you will see one option, phone. Just tap on it, and now you can see here one option written, calls on other devices. Just tap on it. Now if you don't see this option, then you can do one thing. You can just insert different SIM cards and just restart your iPhone devices. Then you will see this option, and now just enable this option. Now you can see it automatically detect my different iPhone. So you can see here at the bottom, allow calls on my respective iPhones. Right, so we are done with the first iPhone smartphones. And now similarly on the other iPhone, just go to the settings again and just search for the phone and just tap on the phone. And now here we will see the similar option, calls on other devices. Just tap on it. Now just enable the option. Now you can see it automatically detected my other iPhone devices. So now our all settings are done, and now let me try to call on any one of my mobile number, and we'll check out if the phone calls is received on iPhone devices or not at the same time. So let me try to call with a different number on any one of my iPhone devices. So finally you can see I'm getting the same phone calls on different iPhone devices without having the same SIM card. So by using these tricks, you can easily get and receive same phone calls on different iPhone without having same SIM card very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.